In this world, everyone wants to earn money. For earning money, there are different ways. Some will do the jobs or some will start their own business to gain the freedom of 9 to 5 jobs. Hey everyone, it's me Roshin and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to walk through the important steps to start your own business. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon later on videos. So let's get started. Finding your business idea. Every successful business starts with a great idea. So, how do you find yours? Comment below. Here are a few strategies to spark your creativity. Keyword research, market trends, and personal passion. Keyword research means the name of your organization or name of your business. What kind of name you want to put, what kind of product you are making, and what kind of name you want to for your product. And market trend means for your product, what kind of market trends going on. Your product will establish in a market or not. You have to find the market trends, what's going on. And another one is personal passion. Personal passion means what you are more passionate about. Because if there is no passion, you can't go ahead. You will struggle or you will be not happy while doing the business. So personal passion is also the most important things. Market research. Once you have an idea, it's time to dig deeper. Market research will help you understand your target audience and ensure there is a demand of your product or service. It will help you to analyze competitor and understand what works and what doesn't with your product. Because if without market research, you just open your business and throw your product in the market, sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. So most important thing is before starting the business, you have to conduct a market research. It will help you a lot. Planning your business. Now that your idea is solid, let's move on to the planning phase. Your business plan is your roadmap to success. While making the business plan, don't forget to include your mission, your vision, your target audience, competitor, and financial projection. Okay, what are your target? What are your missions? What kind of product you are going? And final financial projection. Don't forget to put it also. For this video, for business plan, we will make a detailed video about business plan in later videos. So keep watching. Legalize and registration. After making business plan, now it's time to make your business official. You need to take care of some legalities. This step is crucial for setting up a solid foundation of your business. So here are some of the points while doing the registration of your business. Register your business name and obtain the necessary license and permit from the government. While making registrations, consult with your legal professionals to ensure local registration. Different country, different city, different area has their different norms. So make sure that you will consult with your legal professionals before registering your business. And third point is, if applicable, make your property trademarks. If your product or service, if you want to make no one copy your product, or if you want to protect from the copying by the other business or other organizations, make sure you will do the trademark. It will help you. No one can copy your product or service. Okay. So finance and funding. After doing all the planning and registrations, now let's talk about money, because we are doing a business to earn money, but doing business we also need a money. So we can't start our business without the initial budget for smooth operation. Managing your finance is crucial for the sustainability of your business. So set up a business bank account and keep personal and business finance separate. It will help you to segregate which one is your personal account or which one is your personal money and which one is your business money. It will help you a lot to run a smooth operations of your business. Now, while doing that, if you are sort of money for establishing your organizations or running the business, explore funding options, including personal savings, loan, and grants. It will help you a lot. Maybe you can also find some kind of share portions, or you can allocate some of the share to the another person, so you can also get a money for that. Don't forget another one. Don't forget to plan for ongoing expenses. Get a buffer for unforeseen circumstances, and just like make a little bit of money for the kind of petty cash fund. Maybe it will help you run a smooth little to work, just like if you want to have a breakfast in your office, it will help you a lot for the small kind of running item in the office. Okay? And now after making all the preparations, all the things done, now it's time to make your product available in the market, building your product available. Now after making all the process complete, it's time to make your product flow in the market. In this process, you can use different kind of channel. There are different kind of, maybe you can find some other people who is already established in the market. You can communicate with them to market your product, or you can communicate with them to showcase your product, or if you have a service, you can communicate with other people to do the marketing for you. One of the most important in today's digital, strong online availability is key to business success. You must have to be a strong presence in online sector also. Let's explore how to establish and optimize your online presence. Create a professional website with relevant keyword and SEO friendly structure, which will help you to gain a top level in a search of Google or any search platform, and make a strong presence in social media site like Facebook, Instagram, X, any kind of social platform. You can make a strong presence where you can connect with your customers and support the customers when they need. It will help you a lot to promote your product. And in the end, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to start your own business. Remember, this journey may have its challenge. It will be sometimes hard. Starting a business is not a joke. You will face a lot of struggles while you're going on. If you enjoy while doing those processes, you will succeed in your business. But you also have to have a right strategies to go on. You can build a successful business if you face those challenges and keep moving without thinking other things. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below what's your business idea. Subscribe for more content.